Did you know that faceless YouTube channels have skyrocketed in popularity, with some earning over $100,000 monthly? Yes, that's six figures without ever saying, "Hi guys." These creators dominate niches like finance, gaming, and storytelling, all while staying completely anonymous. Want to know their secrets? Stick around because today, we're spilling the tea on how you can join the faceless YouTube revolution. Welcome to this ultimate guide on YouTube automation, the revolutionary way to build profitable YouTube channels without showing your face or spending endless hours editing videos. Whether you're camera shy, hate hearing your own voice, or just want to maximize efficiency, this method is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to automate content creation with cutting-edge tools, how AI can save you hundreds of hours and make content creation as easy as clicking a button, how to create videos so good your audience won't believe it's all automated. And yes, we'll even sprinkle in some humor because let's face it, watching a 60-minute guide can't be boring. Ready to take your YouTube journey to the next level? Let's get started.
Let's be honest, creating content is hard work. 1. Time constraints. You might be juggling a full-time job, family, or school, and you think, who has time to write scripts, record, and edit videos? 2. Creativity blocks. Ever stared at a blank Word document for hours, wondering what to make a video about? Yeah, we've all been there. 3. Technical overwhelm. Editing software can feel like you're piloting a spaceship. Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut? What happened to simple tools? Here's the kicker. You don't need advanced skills or even a lot of time. AI tools can now automate almost every aspect of YouTube content creation. It's like having an entire production team without paying salaries. Step 1. Finding your niche. Before starting, you need a profitable niche. Here's where tools like ChatGPT come in. Let's say you type, "What are some trending YouTube niches in 2024?" ChatGPT might respond with ideas like 5-minute budgeting tips, tech reviews for beginners, meditation for busy moms. Pick one niche and stick with it. Think of it like dating. You can't commit to every niche at once, or the algorithm will be confused. Step 2. Generating video ideas. Once you've picked a niche, it's time to brainstorm video topics. Use Answer the Public to find trending topics. For a health niche, you'll find questions like, what's the best morning routine for weight loss? Can drinking water really boost your metabolism? Now, take these questions and turn them into clickable video titles like 10-minute morning routine to burn fat fast, debunking the biggest metabolism myths. The secret is to frame your content as the solution your audience is searching for. Step 3. Writing the perfect script. There's where AI tools like WriteSonic shine. Pro tip: ask ChatGPT. Write a funny yet informative script for a video on how to save $500 monthly. It will give you a ready-made script in seconds. Tweak it by adding personal anecdotes, like, "I once tried saving money by skipping coffee. Big mistake, turns out. I'm more productive with caffeine." Step 4. Creating voiceovers without talking. Not a fan of hearing your own voice? No worries, MurF.ai has you covered. Steps: 1. Paste your script into MurF.ai. 2. Choose from a variety of voices, British accents, deep radio tones, or even cheerful ones. 3. Download the audio and sync it with your visuals. Step 5. Video creation made easy. Platforms like InVideo simplify video creation.
Step 5. Creating engaging content efficiently. If you're making a video on best budgeting apps, follow these steps to create a professional, high-quality video in record time. 1. Upload your script. Start by writing or refining your script. Tools like ChatGPT can help generate engaging and well-structured content. 2. Gather visuals. Use free stock footage platforms like Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash to find videos of people budgeting, typing on phones, or interacting with apps. This adds a relatable touch to your video. 3. Enhance with graphics. Insert animated charts or infographics to demonstrate budgeting trends. Use Canva or Adobe Express to create visually appealing slides, or take screenshots of the apps you're featuring and highlight their features with annotations. 4. Edit like a pro. Upload all assets to a simple editing tool like InVideo or CapCut. Organize clips, add smooth transitions, background music, and text overlays. In under an hour, you can have a polished video ready to upload, saving you hours compared to traditional methods. Step 6. Designing scroll-stopping thumbnails. A compelling thumbnail is the gateway to your video. It's your first and sometimes only chance to grab attention. Design tips. 1. Use vibrant colors. Choose colors that stand out like bright yellow, orange, or teal. These shades draw the eye and make your thumbnail pop against YouTube's white or dark backgrounds. 2. Facial expressions matter. Even for faceless channels, adding a stock photo with an exaggerated emotion, such as surprise or joy, creates intrigue. People are naturally drawn to faces. 3. Bold, clear text. Keep your text short and impactful. Use phrases like, "Save $500 fast." "Budget like a pro." 4. Add personality. Use fun captions or icons that resonate with your audience. For example, caption, "No coffee sacrifices." Icon, a quirky piggy bank or dollar bill emoji. Tools to use: Canva, Figma, or Adobe Express. Canva, especially, offers templates tailored for YouTube thumbnails. Example thumbnail concept. For a video on how to save money fast, bright yellow background, a shocked face paired with dollar signs. Bold text, $500 in savings EASY. A playful caption, "No avocado toast required." Step 7. Mastering SEO for visibility. To get your videos discovered, SEO search engine optimization is essential. Key practices. 1. Research keywords. Use tools like TubeBuddy, Vidic, or even Google's autocomplete to find phrases people are searching for. 2. Focus on long-tail keywords. Instead of broad terms like save money, go for niche phrases like how to save money in 2024 without cutting coffee. These keywords have lower competition but are highly specific, making it easier for your video to rank.
3. Optimize titles and descriptions. Incorporate your keywords naturally in your video title, description, and tags. Example, title, 5 apps to save money fast in 2024. Description, discover the best budgeting apps for 2024 that will transform your savings gain without sacrificing your coffee budget. Click now to find out more. 4. Leverage captions. Adding subtitles not only boosts accessibility but also helps YouTube better understand your content. Use free tools like Subly or VED.io. Real-time faceless YouTube channel creation. Let's walk through creating a faceless channel step by step. 1. Channel creation. Go to YouTube, sign in, and create a new channel. Name it something catchy and relevant, like Savvy Savings Tips. 2. Script writing. Use chat to draft a script on topics like 5 easy ways to save money. Customize it to fit your voice and audience. 3. Voiceover production. Use AI voice tools like MURF.ai or 11 Labs to generate smooth, professional quality narration. These platforms offer a range of tones and accents. 4. Video editing. Combine your footage, voiceover, and graphics using tools like InVideo, CapCut, or Filmora. Make use of free assets from platforms like Pixabay. 5. Thumbnail creation. Design an attention-grabbing thumbnail in Canva. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and a clean layout. 6. SEO optimization. Craft your title, description, and tags using SEO tools like TubeBuddy. Don't forget to use long-tail keywords for better discoverability. 7. Promotion. Share snippets of your video on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to reach broader audiences. Use tools like Lumen 5 to repurpose your content into bite-sized videos for social media.
Maximizing efficiency with AI tools. With the right tools, creating a professional video becomes a breeze. Here's how AI can revolutionize your process. Save time, automate repetitive tasks like voiceovers, captions, and keyword research. Produce high-quality content. Use AI-driven editing and design tools to ensure a polished final product. Scale easily. Manage multiple channels or produce videos at scale without burning out. Pro tip: keep experimenting with different tools to find what works best for your workflow. If you've been hesitating to start your YouTube journey, let this be your sign to dive in. What do you think about using AI for YouTube automation? Drop a comment below and share which tool you're most excited to try. And don't forget to check out our next video, where we reveal the best monetization strategies for faceless YouTube channels.